Thailand is once again in political turmoil. Prime Minister Paetongtarn Shinawatra has been suspended from office by the country's constitutional court. The charge against her is serious. She is accused of breaching political ethics after a leaked phone call with Cambodian Senate President Hun Sen. The conversation was reportedly recorded by Hun Sen himself. He later admitted to sharing it with dozens of people. In the leaked audio, Paetongtarn is heard addressing Hun Sen as uncle and urging him not to listen to a Thai army commander who had criticized Cambodia over border tensions. She even referred to the commander as an opponent. Critics say these remarks undermine Thailand's national interest and give undue leverage to Cambodia. Paetongtarn has since apologized but maintains that her words were part of a negotiating tactic, not a betrayal. To understand why this call has sparked such outrage, we must look at the history. Thailand and Cambodia share an 800-kilometer border, much of it disputed. The conflict goes back to a colonial-era map drawn in 1907, which Cambodia uses as proof of its claims. Thailand insists the map is inaccurate. Border clashes are not new. In 2011, fighting around the ancient Preah Vihear temple killed 20 people and displaced thousands. The International Court of Justice eventually awarded the area to Cambodia in 2013, a verdict that still troubles Thailand. The latest clash came in May this year when forces on both sides exchanged fire. One Cambodian soldier was killed, and since then, tensions have escalated. Thailand imposed strict border restrictions. Cambodia retaliated by banning Thai films, produce, and even cutting internet and power links. Now, Cambodia has taken the issue back to the International Court of Justice, while Thailand says it will not accept the court's jurisdiction. For Paetongtarn, this controversy could not have come at a worse time. She is already facing criticism over her leadership, and the Shinawatra family has a history of being forced out of power. Her father Thaksin and her aunt Yingluck were both removed from office. Now, Paetongtarn finds herself suspended in the middle of a border dispute. The court will decide her political fate. But for now, Thailand is left with a leadership vacuum while tensions with Cambodia continue to simmer. This is Megha Murthy for NDTV.